Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain one of ITSM improvement module, automation by Integration Hub. It includes overview, pre-built connectors, automating ITSM processes, advanced capabilities and best practices. So let's start with overview. Integration Hub is a feature within ServiceNow that facilitates seamless integration with external systems and applications. It allows users to create and manage integrations using a low-code approach, leveraging pre-built connectors and custom integration options. Integration Hub is designed to enhance workflow automation, reduce manual effort, and streamline data exchange across different platforms. Integration Hub simplifies the integration process by providing a unified platform to connect ServiceNow with various external systems, thereby enabling organization to automate workflows and ensure data consistency across their IT landscape. Then key features. Integration Hub includes several key features such as Flow Designer integration, which allow user to create complex workflow, pre-built connectors for common application, support for outbound and inbound REST messages, and the ability to create custom integrations. It also provides tools for error handling, logging, and monitoring integration performance. These features empowers users to build and manage integrations with minimal coding, ensuring that even non-technical users can automate and optimize their ITSM processes effectively. Benefits of using integration hubs. The primary benefit of integration hub include increased efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, faster integration deployment with pre-built connectors, improved data accuracy through automated data exchange, and reduce integration costs by minimizing the need for custom development. Additionally, it enhances service delivery by enabling real-time data synchronization and workflow automation. To get started with Integration Hub, users need to activate the Integration Hub plugin in their ServiceNow instance. Next, they should configure the necessary connections to external systems using pre-built spokes or custom connectors. Once the connections are established, user can start creating integration flows, and Flow Designer test the integration and monitor their performance. This step-by-step approach ensures that user can quickly efficiently set up Integration Hub, allowing them to start leveraging its capabilities to automate and optimize their ITSM workflows. Then pre-built connectors. ServiceNow spokes. ServiceNow provides a variety of pre-built connector known as spokes, which offer ready-to-use integration for popular application and services such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, Jira, and more. These spokes come with predefined actions and triggers that can be easily incorporated into workflows. ServiceNow spokes simplify the integration process by providing pre-configured connectors that users can quickly deploy, saving times and effort compared to building integrations from scratch. Then custom connectors. Integration Hub allow user to create custom connectors to integrate with bespoke applications or services not covered by pre-built spokes. Custom connectors can be deployed using REST APIs, SOAP APIs, or other integration methods supported by the target systems. Custom connectors provide the flexibility to integrate with any external system, ensuring that all integration needs, including those involving proprietary and other applications, can be met. Then outbound REST messages. Integration Hub supports outbound REST messages, enabling ServiceNow to interact with external RESTful APIs. User can configure REST messages to send data, trigger actions, or query information from external system as part of their automated workflows. Then inbound integrations. Inbound integration enable external system to send data or trigger workflow within ServiceNow via REST API endpoints. This capability allows external application to interact with ServiceNow, initiating processes and updating data in real time. Then automating ITSM processes. Incident management automation. Integration Hub can automate various aspects of incident management, such as automatically creating and categorizing incident based on data from monitoring tools, assigning incident to appropriate team, and suggesting resolutions based on the historical data. It can also integrate with communication platform to notify relevant stakeholders and update incident status. Then change management automation. Integration Hub can automate change management processes by integrating with development and operational tools. It can automate the creation of change requests, manage approval workflows, assess the risk associated with changes, and ensure the changes are implemented smoothly. The integration helps in coordinating changes across different teams and tools, reducing the risk of errors and downtime. Problem management automation. Integration Hub helps automate problem management by identifying, you can say that, recurring issues through integration with monitoring and analytics tools. It can automatically log problems, perform root cause analysis, and suggest solution based on historical data. Additionally, it can coordinate with other ITSM processes to ensure that problems are resolved promptly and effectively. Then service request automation. Integration Hub streamlines service request fulfillment by integrating with backend systems to automate provisioning, access management, and resource allocation. For example, it can automate the creation of user account, assign permissions, and provisions resources based on the predefined workflow and policies. Then advanced capabilities and best practices. Then advanced capabilities and best practices. Flow Designer integration. Flow Designer in ServiceNow allows user to create complex multi-step workflows that integrate with external system via Integration Hub. Users can drag and drop actions and logic elements to build automation scenarios such as multi-system data synchronization, automated incident resolution, and proactive maintenance workflows. Error handling and logging. Effective error handling and logging mechanisms are essential for maintaining reliable integration workflows. Integration Hub provides tools to configure error handling actions such as retrying failed steps, sending alerts, and logging errors for further analysis. This ensures that any issues in the integration process are promptly identified and addressed. Then security best practices. Ensuring secure integration involves implementing best practices such as API authentication, data encryption, and regular security audits. Integration Hub supports various security mechanisms, including Auth 2.0, API tokens, and encrypted data transmission to protect sensitive information and ensure secure communication between systems. Then continuous improvement. Continuous improvement involves regular reviewing and optimizing integration workflows to ensure they remain efficient, effective, and align with changing business needs. This includes monitoring performance matrices, gathering user feedback, and making necessary adjustment to enhance the automation process. Continuous improvement ensures that integration workflows evolve over time, maintaining their relevance and effectiveness in supporting ITSM processes and adapting the new requirements and challenges as they arise. So that's all about automation via Integration Hub. Thank you.